Here is the quickest way to remove background in Photoshop CC. So first of all, go to select and mask, and now click on select subject. Note, this technique is used only in Photoshop 2019, 2020 and 2021. So I'm using Photoshop 2021. Now your subject is selected. Go to the view option up here and make sure you choose matching ants, and now go and pick your lasso tool to correct the imperfections here. Hit on the out and drag it here, release it. Now circle around this selection and remove this place, and now you have your subject selected. Now go to the feather option and push it a little bit to 2.3 is okay. Go to your output tool and select your layer mask, and now you can hit on OK, and now you have your subject selected and the background removed. So this is the end of the tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. There are more videos that I'm making for you.